Hey sunshines, we coming in hot. Immediately showing you the hot mess of my daughter's bedroom. It was a long day worth of playing with a room full of stuff where it's just too much stuff. Before we go any further, I think we should take a moment of silence for this hot mess. Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. So now it's a brand new day. The room looks a little bit better, but it still was a thorn in my side. This room was not exactly what we wanted it to be. Now the room itself is not the biggest room ever, but it's just so much stuff in this room. And then this is the closet that my daughter was working with. And at the time that we were doing this renovation for her, she was 5 years old. So she has a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, a lot of toys. And we just need to declutter, 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 but also make room and space for her in her room, as she is a growing child. So we ended up hiring a contractor to come out, and his team were here, and they did an amazing job, where we decided that we were going to do 2 closets for her instead of the one that she had. Best decision we ever could have made. Ended up being a little bit more work than we anticipated, but it was well worth it. You see my daughter is here helping my husband out with her strong muscles that I did not know that she had. But this truly was a family affair. We all jumped in. It was a surprise for her, so she didn't know exactly what she was doing. She just knew she was helping. Daddy put together some stuff for her room, but she had no clue as to how it was going to turn out. So later on, you guys will see her reaction when she sees her room for the very first time after we did some things. And here I am doing my part. I don't use a lot of tools, but I said I had to step my game up for my daughter. Put together this drawer we're using that we're going to store some additional things in, because as I said, the room is not that big, so we had to figure out how to use the space as best as possible. We did use the IKEA pack system, but I wanted to step it up a notch and add some of my own individual hardware. This blue bench is also, well, I shouldn't say bench, but this blue dresser is also from IKEA as well. It came with handles, but I wanted to do my own thing and have it to match the closet as well. Now this is her room after it's all empty. The contractors have left, and now my husband and I are getting ready to do wallpaper on this entire wall. And y'all, the struggle was real. We are so glad to be done. It's like 98 degrees, maybe 99 degrees outside. It's hot to the mug in this house with no air on, because we're waiting for the rest of the paint on the other side of this room and in the hallway to dry. We had to start over several times, messing around panel number 2 and panel number 3. But we conquered it. Alright, great job, Boom.
Well, that's what you get when you pick wallpaper.
We did it downstairs in the basement, and it was a lot easier, a lot faster.
Yeah, we didn't have as much of it.
True, but it was still wallpaper.
Yeah, and that's making you wallpaper, man. You gotta have a special place in the heart for wallpaper. That ain't nobody's friend.
We deal with wallpaper. Mom, and we love you, girl, because it's hot, sweating, shining. Labor of love for you, little girl. Mommy and Daddy love you. Mwah!
No, you won't regret all me, all for you. It's more than a night to me. All me, all for you. It's your life, out of the night to promise you won't regret it. No, you won't regret it. All me, all for you. It's more than a night to me. All me, all for you. This feel right, all kind of right to me. All me. Come on, baby, it's more than a night to me. All me, all for you. This feel right, all kind of right to me. All me, darling, darling, to me, to me, you are darling, darling, to me, to me, you are darling, to me, to me, you are darling, darling, all me, to me, to me, you are me, to me, all me, to me, to me, you are.
So my daughter is getting ready to come. She has no idea what is about to happen, the surprise, but we cannot wait to show her, and I cannot wait to see her reaction on camera. So here she comes. Keep your eyes closed. Even after Daddy opens, keep them closed.
3, 2, 1. Open your eyes! It's your new room!
I love it. You love it? Yay! You want to come in and come look? What do you want to look at first?
The wall.
The wall?
It looks like I'm at the beach.
Looks like you're at the beach. We got you some wallpaper.
Look at this bed. This looks so comfy and luxurious. Ooh. Wow, you got mermaids on it.
Can I try?
Sure. Here. Yeah. Shoes on. Oh, you get on there. Sit on it. You can sit on it. Yeah. Oh, is it comfy? You can lay down there on top of it if you want.
It's your bed.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What?
Did you guys get this from IKEA or?
No, we've had it. It's been in the living room all this time. But Mommy and Daddy, we had to build it. So we built it while you were gone yesterday.
Like what?
Yeah, we did the wallpaper on the wall for you too.
Whoa. I'm gonna sleep in it tonight.
You are going to sleep in it tonight. But we have some more surprises for you. So we're not 100% finished with your room. So this is the part 1 of your surprise. And then we'll have some more surprises for you once we finish.
Okay. And the second one, I want you to do this.
You want me to do it? Okay. So we'll have Daddy record and I do your eyes. Well, it's only probably going to be 2 surprises. Maybe. Depending on how quickly everything finishes.
Okay.
Isn't it so
I love
comfy?
it so much. Yeah.
You love it so much.
I don't want to throw it away.
Bye. So far, I'm loving the bed that we got from Home Depot and the bedding that we got from Target for her. And right now, they are just putting together the little nightstand that I found online for her. And everything is starting to come together perfectly. I did not put together everything all at once. I just kind of went online, went into stores, and as I found things, I kind of just bought them. If I feel it, it can come home with me. I don't do mood boards and things like that. I just shop as I feel it. And I'll be sure to link as many items as I can down below in the description box. So if you guys have any questions about where something is from, check the description box.
This brand new orbit is where I wanna stay. Ghosts of my past, though, seem all that close.
I said before, my daughter has a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, a lot of toys. She's only 5, but she is well loved. A lot of our family members, they love to go shopping for her. Eventually in the video, you may even see that she has this jacket here, and she has another one because we had 2 family members buy her the exact same one. Thankfully, they were 2 different sizes, so she was actually able to wear them for a very long time. But now I'm basically just decluttering, getting rid of the clothes that no longer fit. And I found some new hangers for my closet, which that video will be coming because we also redid my closet as well. And in my closet, I wanted to use these gold hangers. So I said, I want to use it for my daughter's room as well because I gave her the gold accents. These hangers, absolutely love them. These are the ones I'm using for like her skirts and things. And then these are like the regular version hangers that I'm using. But I absolutely love them. I know a lot of people like the felt hangers because things don't slip off. I had those hangers for her closet and my closet, and I hands down prefer these gold hangers.
If you came here to go all night, then you feel good, feel good. If you feel good, if you feel nice, clap your hands and shake that spot. If you came here to go all night, then you feel real good. Feel good, know that I'm in control. Feel good, no one's gonna stop my roll. Feel good, feel good, feel good, feel good.
Probably noticed earlier in the video that they ended up having to take some of the flooring up in her room because they had to move the vents forward a little bit. Otherwise, she wouldn't be able to get any heat or any AC, and we couldn't have that. So because they did have to pull the flooring up, we did purposely tell them not to put any flooring back. One, that would have been an additional cost unnecessary because we do plan on getting brand new floors throughout the entire house. So we didn't want to have to pay for new flooring twice, knowing that we don't want what we currently have, and they would have had to match the flooring to them. So eventually one day, I don't know what day, but we are getting new flooring, and that will be coming up all together.
Baby, don't get me wrong, I love you with all my heart, and I just can't stand the moments that we are apart. The distance between us is making me anxious.
I love this ombre effects mirror that I found online. I think it works perfectly in her room along with the theme. My husband ended up finding these plant holders that we have on the wall. And shout out to my mom because she helped me with the whole floral arrangement. And also huge shout out to my husband because this was his idea in regards to how we were actually going to put together our daughter's closet system, with doing it on the left and the right. I decided how the inside was going to look, what system we were going to use. As I said, it was the IKEA packs, but this was all his vision that he had for our daughter. So absolutely thankful and happy that he came up with that vision and then told me to just have at it from a design standpoint. But he also did pick out that wallpaper, which that is just, every time I walk down the hallway, I love looking at the wallpaper in her room. A great find. You'll notice that I did put lights in her closet. I know I said my daughter is only 5, but I do plan on having her to continue to grow into this room. I don't want to have to redo her room in a couple of years because then she'll be a preteen and then a teenager. I want this to be girly and glamorous where she feels like a big girl, but when she gets a little bit older, it's not too kiddie for her at the same time. And you'll see that earlier when I was decluttering, I did get rid of some clothes, but not even half of her wardrobe did I get rid of. And I actually have to buy some new clothes because she's a growing child. So she has new clothes that have been added at the time that I was actually putting together this closet. And she still has space left over. I strategically folded everything to make sure that everything fits from her underwear, her socks, shorts, pants, school clothes, play clothes. Like, there is a spot for everything. Everything is organized. I even gave her a little girly drawer right here that she can grow into and have it to be even more girly as she gets older. And because we did get rid of her laundry hamper, I did come up with this because we didn't have like a lot of space in the room to put a hamper anywhere, and I did not want her room to go back in cluttered. If you've seen any of my other videos, I am very minimal and I do not like stuff everywhere. So this room, the way it previously was, I couldn't handle it. But I am absolutely grateful and thankful for how this turned out.
Got me through your features. Who do? Yes, you, baby. I get excited about what's in front of me. And I keep thinking about the parts that I can't see. Say I'm in love with all your girls. Just say the word and I do anything you wanna. To get to touch you, I'm in love with all your girls. Just say the word and I do anything you think of. To get to touch you. Break it down, mama, break it on down for me. What a fella gotta do to get you next to me?
Thank you guys for watching. Remember, stay true and be you. Until next time. Toodles. Mwah.